Hi there, my name is Ronnie, and today I'm going to do a lesson. It's a very basic, very simple, very easy lesson for everyone to enjoy. And this is by request, by the way, so thank you. And today we're going to learn the verb to have. Now, the difficult thing about this verb is it has to change when we use he and she. Thank goodness the rest of them don't change when we use different pronouns. So I will conjugate the verb for you and you can just learn how to do this. We say I have. He and she. These are the ones that are important. We have to use has because these are singular people. I, he, she. Then we have they. And the last one is we. Both they and we are two people, at least two people. We can say they have and we have. Okay? So the very difficult and the most important ones to remember here are if it's a singular person, he or she, we need to change the verb to has. Good. The next thing is the negative form of these verbs. In the negative, we have to use the word in English, don't. So, we're going to say, I don't have. For example, I don't have a cat. I don't have a dog. They, we can use the same word, don't have. So we can say, they don't have any hamburgers. They don't have. And again, we, because we use have, we can say, we don't have. For this one, unfortunately, I can't say he don't has. That would be too easy for you guys. We actually have to change this verb. And we actually have... They're coming for me! Oh no! Help! Okay, I escaped. He and she with has. We have to change this verb to doesn't. So I can say, he doesn't have. And she doesn't have. So, when we use the negative form, we use the verb have for all of them. The one that changes is don't, doesn't, and don't. This is the very... Oh no, they're coming for me again? This is... Nope, they're gone. Nope, they're here. He doesn't have. She doesn't have. I don't have. They don't have. We don't have. I hope that makes it easier for you when you're dealing with have and has. The other part of this verb is the past. Does anyone know the past of have? It is had. So, this is very easy, and you're lucky for this one. When we use had, we don't have to change it with the different pronouns. So we can say, I had, he and she had, they had, and we had. They had a fire. That's why the sirens are there. When we change the past of had into the negative is where it becomes a little difficult. Back in old school English, and I think a lot of the times in Britain and in British English, you can say, I had not. She had not. They had not. We had not. But this is very unnatural for us being people from Canada and people from America, and modern day English. We just don't use I had not. It's very Shakespearean. If you're into Shakespeare, you know this. I had not eaten that, which is kind of weird. So, when we use had, we have to look at this verb again. Who knows what the negative and the past really of doesn't is? The answer is didn't. So, for this one we're going to say I didn't or did not have. For all of these, we do not need to change it. He and she didn't have, and they and we also we use didn't have. So the more you study English, the more you are going to learn that there are things that are very difficult and hard to remember. But there's going to be some tricks that I can teach you to help you remember those. I hope that helped you, and everyone else. I'll see you again soon.